Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to take you through my face shop kit. This is the You Do You kit that I created in collaboration with Face Shop India, and this is what the kit looks like. It comes in this see-through bag which is multi-purpose. You can repurpose it and use it however you like. And once you open the bag, the first thing you're going to get is a personal note from me. So this explains my thought process behind the kit and what you can use it for. And my favorite part about this kit is actually the name. I love puns. I live for them, and I knew that this kit had to have a pun, and we came up with You Do You, and I just love the entire thought process behind it, so I hope you guys enjoy that too. Secondly, the color of the bag is also very special for me. It is a light mint green, and I remember when I was asked what color would I want at the bag, I knew that I wanted like a nice shade of mint green, because if you've followed me for like the longest time, then you would know that my blog All She Needs was actually this color. Like, I literally associated and branded myself with this color. My banner was this color, everything was literally, I was obsessed. Like, I used to just wear nail polish also, which was just this color, and which is why we ended up with this. So you can also use this pouch in a lot of different ways. You can use it to store your makeup, skincare, travel with it, and this can be transformed into an evening bag. You can carry it to your gym, yoga. I personally really love see-through bags. I think they're really cool, and I loved it that we could add like these aesthetic rope details. I think that like truly transformed the kit. Like, when we had the ropes, I was like, that's it, we're not doing anything else. It's also very minimalistic. There isn't too much going on. You can put in another bag that has a lot more texture in it. Like, you can put in a nice metallic shimmery bag, you can put another hollow bag in it, you can put another Face Shop India bag in it. Yeah, so you can use it in a lot of different ways. You can actually carry this out, which was like a really important factor for me, because I didn't want like this kit to be just laying somewhere in storage. I wanted you guys to actually use this. Okay, enough about the bag. Let's dig what's inside it. So the first thing you're going to notice is the full-size product. This is the Twinkle Party Herb Day 365 Master Blending Foaming Cleanser. So this is a really gentle foaming cleanser for all skin types. It not only cleanses your skin really well, but it's also very gentle on the skin. It is really foaming, and you can use this both in the morning and the night. And if you've noticed all of the products together, you can actually create an entire routine. So we've got the face wash, then we have the Yevadam skincare kit. Now this is a really value for money kit. The Yevadam range from the Face Shop is a luxury range, and this is the revitalizing skincare kit. So this is like an ensemble travel kit. It comes with a small travel size version of all of these Yevadam range products, and they're actually really nice for you to try it out and see how it works out for your skin. And we have the revitalizing toner, then we have the revitalizing emulsion, that is the serum, and this is the cream. So literally you can do your entire skincare routine just using this kit. So you wash your face, use your toner, essence, serum and moisturizer, and you can actually do your makeup too. I was so excited that, you know, they allowed me to include makeup in it as well. So first we have this mascara. This is the Fresh and Big mascara, and I'm actually wearing it on my eyes and eyebrows right now. It is really nice, gives a beautiful natural finish, and I love the thin wand that it has, and it's waterproof, it's long lasting, and it's also very buildable. Please try this mascara and let me know what do you guys think. I know a lot of you have already purchased and gotten the kit, so let me know what you think of the mascara. And lastly, you're also going to get their water fit lip tint. Now this is again a multi-purpose tint, so you can use this on your lips, you can use this on your cheeks for that beautiful flush of color. And with the entire kit, you can do this everyday natural dewy makeup look, right? How amazing is that? So I'm so glad that, you know, everything just turned out exactly how I wanted it to be, and super excited for you guys to try it. I almost forgot that the tint from Face Shop is one of their best-selling products. Like, people love their tints, and like what it does is that it tints your lips very naturally, and it's a very long-lasting formula as well. And even when you apply it on your cheek, it gives a very natural looking flush. So that's it. Thank you so much for trying it. If you already have it, if you haven't tried this, then please get one for yourself. I'm going to link it down below. It's available on Nykaa, and I think like it's just such a nice piece of keepsake. It's like you have a little bit of me with you, and I really hope you guys enjoy using all of the products. And yeah, this is such a moment for me. Like, it is a moment in my career, like to have a kit with such an amazing brand that I have associated for the longest time. Ever since they have been in India, I've like tried so many of their products. It has worked so well for me, and now that I get to curate my favorites into a kit and design it and share it with you guys, it's a moment, and it couldn't have been possible if it weren't for you guys. So thank you. We did this together, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and please make sure that you get the You Do You kit, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.